Hi everyone, today I just wanted to show you how you can create your templates for any platforms that you are currently using. So this could be for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is that you're using. There's an easy way to bulk create your templates, and for the purpose of this video I will be showing an example of how you can create carousels for Instagram. And I hope that this will be helpful to you so that you can work more efficiently. So what you want to do is to go to Canva and just click on create, and we'll look for Instagram posts. So we'll click on the first one that we have just here. So not the second one, but the first one that we have, which is 1080 by 1440 pixels. Click on that. And then here you have the size of your post. Click on the post and then you go to edit, and what you will see are styles that you can use. So they show colors and they show fonts as well. So you click on CO and we will be going to combinations. And there's also color palettes and fonts, but we will be going to combinations where there's the colors and the fonts that you can use straight away. So I'm just seeing what fonts and colors that I'm mostly attracted to and that I feel will be a good way to kind of show what I want to show. So I'm just looking at these ones and what you can do to kind of help you visualize what they will look like. You just click on the shuffle button and you can change them. This one looks actually really good. I can see it on the t-shirt design, which would be actually really cool. So just on the shuffle button, you can decide what works for you and what kind of looks good. So I'm just deciding what to go for, and I think I like this one. I'm just going to double check as well that the colors are good, and then I will choose this one for the inspirational quotes that I am going to create for the posts. What you want to do now is just to add your handle. So I'm just going to add my IG handle, which is SME Architecture, and just bring it much lower down, making sure that it's all centered as well. You will see that Canva already has these boundary lines to help you so that you know how far out you are, how centered all of your font is as well. I'm just double checking the font size and making sure that it's okay. We have inspirational quotes up here, and the subheading font is aligned. You can go right click and go to middle just to make sure that that's centered, or you can just move it manually yourself to make sure that that's all in the right place. So you want it to stay within the boundaries. So I'm just stretching that out so that the font will go within those boundaries specifically, and just checking as well the dimension of the font that I would like it to be. So then the next thing that you want to do is to go over to ChatGPT. I did do quite a few of these already for another post. What I've decided to do is that it will be inspirational quotes. So I'm just asking for it to prepare me 100 quotes so that I can put onto the posts. And then I've asked for the 100 to be divided into 3. And the reason for that is that I want a table with 3 columns so that I can put this on the post automatically. And I will show you exactly how that is possible for you to do. But what I want to do right now is to go back to the post and just ensure that everything is aligned and is properly done. And because remember we have different colors for this, what Canva does for you already is it will show you the recently used one, so you don't have to go back to the CO to find what you were looking for. And I'm just choosing the right color and trying to see which one works, which one will look good for this carousel post. And I think I will just keep it very, very simple for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going ahead with this one, and I want to go back to ChatGPT where I have all the columns. I will also ask for it to give me a CSV file for this table so that I can download the file and then add it to Canva. What we don't want to do is to add all the quotes individually, because that's going to give us a lot more work, but we want to do them in a way that we are saving time and that is more efficient in our productivity. I'm just going to download the CSV file. You've got a link there. I've already got that downloaded on my desktop, so then I will just go back to Canva. You want to go down to bulk create, which is all the way towards the bottom of the page. And then what you want to do with the CSV file that you have, you want to go to upload the data automatically. So after doing that, I'm just double checking that I've selected the correct CSV file that I've downloaded. This is the correct one because I labeled them each column content 1, content 2, content 3, because I knew that I had another file, so I wanted to make sure that this was all correct. So then now what you want to do is you want to click on the subheading and then click on connect data and choose content 1 for the first one. Click again, choose content 2 for the second one, and then click connect data for content 3. So that's all connected for each post. The next part that you want to do is to go down to advanced options, and then you want to click the first one, which is one design with multiple pages, and click continue. Click on create the 34 designs. So that will prepare everything for you, and you can just click on view in folder to see what you have created. So it's done 2 folders for me, all the posts that we came up with using ChatGPT. You can see all the colors that were chosen, which is the green, and then like a light cream and yellow color, and all the posts that are there in place with my handle at the bottom and an inspirational quote at the top. So that's a very easy way for you guys to create posts without you having to do it manually and without having to do this one by one. If you were to do this manually, you'll be here for about an hour or 2 because it just takes a long time. And also, not using AI, you have to think about exactly what you want to post or have as a quote that is inspirational and that can be used on all your platforms. This is a good way for you to really work efficiently and spend less time doing these kind of posts. So I hope this was helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing your work as well.